When are you visiting the Philippines?
Join us as we do compound maintenance. Let's go.
Lindy wants to take out this papaya.
It's amazing how quickly things grow here. We were late putting on fertilizer. We decided to make more room for the pineapple plants. Not much technique, just ripped it out. Little bit of digging, cleared the roots. We've got papaya trees all the way down the wall here. There's some bamboo at the end. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe. And don't forget to like and share with your friends. We really appreciate your support.